Hey traders, welcome to the pre-market analysis. Let's start with Nifty 50. It is in 15 minutes time frame. So today the market opened gap up around the price of 15,793 and started moving high and made a high of 15,845 and closed around 15,838. So the market moved 45 points higher from the opening price. In the last video we discussed that the market has reached a support level and formed a hammer candle pattern, which is a very good signal for a bullish momentum, and also it has formed a inverted head and shoulder pattern, which is also a bullish reversal chart pattern. So we discussed that if the market opens flat and closed with a bullish candle, we could go for a buy by keeping that candle's lower stop loss, and our target might be our resistance zone 15,800. But the market opened gap up and hit at the target earlier and made a consolidation around the region of 15,800 to 15,830, which is our resistance zone. So today is a seller's day actually. The market consolidated between this region. So doing short straddle of 15,800 CEPE or a short straddle of 15,850 CEPE would have given a good profit for option sellers. In our upcoming videos, we'll be learning about the option strategies. Let us see how could we trade for tomorrow. So here we can see that the market has traveled around this region and gave a breakout above 15,830 around 3 p.m. Okay, so we will be considering this area as a support for minor support for tomorrow. If the market opens flat and closes with a bullish candle, you could keep that candle's lower stop loss and go for a buy, and your target might be our next zone, supply zone, which is 15,880 and 15,900, which is previous high. Our targets might be these 2 points, and you could go for a sell below 15,800 level. If a candle closes below 15,800 level with a bullish candle pattern, you could go for a sell, and your first target might be this candle's low, which is today's low, and your second target might be the previous day high, which is gap filling. So this might be your targets for selling entry in Nifty 50, which is sell below 15,800. Your target might be 15,760 and 15,740. So this is for Nifty 50. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. So today the Bank Nifty opened around the price of 35,010 and made a high of 35,234 and closed around 35,218, which is 207 points higher from the opening price. Now we could see that the market is nearby the region where it has rejected several times. You would see this area, right? I'm marking here. So this is a very crucial area where we could not take a confirm entry. So for Bank Nifty tomorrow, if the market opens flat or gap up, let me change to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so if the market opens flat and closes with a bullish candle, you could go for a buy, and your target might be 35,350 and 35,450. Just keep this candle lower stop loss, because this will be not a very confirm entry, because you could see that today the market has made a high, then made a consolidation over this area and gave a breakout from here. So this will be a support for tomorrow. So even I will be suggesting you could wait for a price action to happen. If the market opens flat, wait for the price action to happen. No need to go for a straight buying or selling. Let the market reach here, the support, minor support area, and if it forms a bullish candle over here, then you will be having a minimum stop loss, so that you will be go for a buy from here, and your target might be previous day high, and our second target might be our resistance area, which is around 35,400. So this will be much safer, and you could go for a sell below this area, which is 35,040. So most safer is 35,020. you could go below 35,020 for selling if it closes with a bearish candle, and your target might be today's low and the same gap up like Nifty 50. So you could see that there are several resistance over this area. So tomorrow for Bank Nifty, it will not good suggested idea to make a straight buy or sell around this area. So wait for the price action. If the price reaches the resistance, if the market opens gap up and reaches the resistance, wait for a bearish candle to form. If it doesn't forms, it crosses the resistance zone, then you could go for a another selling opportunity. You could wait for an opportunity. I always suggest you that as a day trader, we no need to trade daily. We have to trade only in opportunities. Okay. So as like this will be acting as a support for tomorrow. If the market opens flat, wait for a price action. If the market reaches down to the support and you get a bullish confirmation, you go for a buy. And if the market opens little gap up and reaches to the resistance zone, wait for a bearish candle wait for a bearish candle so that you go for a selling. If the market opens gap down and reaching till this 35,040 area and closing below this, you could go for a sell. So your target might be 35,000, 34,940 and 34,850. So this will be a safer trade for tomorrow. This is all about pre-market analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope you have liked the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Happy trading.